OK， 来，我们继续这边。OK， 还有差不多40分钟。OK。Okay, just now we talked about the Bernoulli's principle that you see on airplanes, right? On airfoil. So second application is you will see that in soccer. Okay, for example, 你看之前那种David Beckham 还是那种 Ronaldo or any professional athlete the soccer athlete okay, they are able to curve the ball. Okay, when they kick, right, they are able to curve the ball. So it's not because they have some special ability or something like that It's because they uses the concept. The concept behind it is still has something related to the Bernoulli's principle. So how does it work? Okay, let's say this is the football. Okay, so this is football. Okay, how are they able to curve the ball when they 他们射 okay, how are they able to curve the ball? Is that so the principle behind it is that when the ball is spinning, okay, let's say it spins from like this. This is the arrow of spinning. Okay, when the ball is spinning and is moving forward in this direction, okay, so as the ball spins, it will drive a thin layer of air above it. Okay, it will cause the thin layer of air just above the surface of the ball to move in the same direction of the spinning direction. Okay, meaning that let's use the red color. Okay, so this is the thin layer of air. It will follow the direction of spinning. Okay, it will follow the direction of the spinning direction. Okay, so like this and like this. Okay, and at the same time it moved forward, right? At the same time it moved forward, so there is air resistance coming like this. Use a different color. Okay, this is like this. Okay, so the blue color shows the air resistance, the moving air, and the red color shows the thin layer of air that is driven by the spinning motion of the ball. Okay, so what happened here is that you see this is in the same direction, right? The red arrow and the blue arrow is in the same direction. So this will speed up the air. Okay, so here is flow speed. I write down higher flow speed because air is moving together in one direction. So it will cause the flow to speed up. Okay, and on the right side is that air is moving in the opposite direction, correct? So opposite direction is like they will cancel out each other. They cancel out each other, and as a result, this here has a lower flow speed. Okay, now what happened when there's higher flow speed? According to Bernoulli's principle, higher flow speed means lower. Why keep lower pressure region, right? Lower pressure region on the left side, and then higher pressure region on the right side. So as a result, what happened? There is a resultant force acting from the left to, acting from the right to the left, like this, FR. Okay, so what happened is that as the ball spins, the motion of the ball would be like this. Okay, this is the ball. It's moving forward, right? It's moving forward, and then at the same time, there is a resultant force acting to the left. So it will like curve like this. Like this. Okay, so this is we call the Magnus force. Okay, so it happens in like everyday life, you'll see it. Okay, even if you take a basketball, 你拿那个篮球，你站高高，然后你转，然后你丢下去，你也是会看到那个 Magnus force. It will flow. The trajectory will be curved downward. Okay, it will be curved downward. It's all because of the Bernoulli's principle. Okay. Now you have, of course, you have. You can look at your textbook, right? Your textbook, it has many examples of the Bernoulli's principle. Okay, you can take a look at all that different application of Bernoulli's principle. Okay, so I'll stop here. And then I have exercise for you. This chapter, Bernoulli's principle. So after this lesson, next week we will do some exercise on the pressure, force and pressure, and also the force and motion. Okay, there are some questions on force and motion I still want you to practice. So you spend about like 1 week, 1 or 2 week lah, depends lah. Also depends on your school progress. Okay, maybe later you can let me know what is your school progress so that we can keep up to your school progress. So we are not too fast or we are not too slow. Okay, just to let me know so that I can better arrange the timeline. Okay, 我会 send 那个exercise 去那个 group. And this session is also recorded. Later I'll post the link in the group. OK，第71题 cancel 掉它，那个没有答案的那个第71题。